Why do you use Plus? How has it helped you as a 3D artist?
I use Greyscalegorilla Plus because it speeds up my workflow.
I like to use GSG Plus because when I'm starting a project, it lets me jump in right away.
I use Greyscalegorilla Plus mostly because of the time saving.
I use Greyscalegorilla Plus because of the time it saves me.
We use Plus because it saves us a lot of time in production.
I like using Greyscalegorilla Plus because they provide a lot of time-saving tools.
I use Greyscalegorilla Plus because it's the one central place for a lot of the resources that I frequently use, and they help speed up my workflow significantly.
What's special about GSG Plus is that the products are designed by people who are professional photographers, masters of 3D, and also designers with highly refined tastes. So you get a beautiful creative asset library of gourmet 3D assets.
Greyscalegorilla Plus just has so many features. I mean, I haven't even explored half of it.
Signal,
The material library,
Light Kit Pro,
Drop zones.
HDRIs and textures.
Social Frame, the Align tools, Gorilla Cam, those are all super helpful in our everyday workflow.
I personally do not know any other studio that outputs the same level of product that they do.
Tools like HDRI Link is a huge one because just even if it saves you a few clicks of having to dig through your file system and find HDRIs, like having that, thumbnails right there with one click and being able to rifle through dozens of lighting situations really quickly is a massive time saver.
I probably use the materials the most, especially like the modern surface material pack and the wood textures. It's been so useful in that I can quickly create different kind of photorealistic looks. I think having a tool set that helps facilitate that is brilliant.
Signal, I remember using it the first time. It completely blew my mind. It helps speeding up these sort of looping ambience motions without any keyframes.
The tool we use the most are the materials, by far. It's such a huge library, we can use them on almost every project.
By far, my favorite go-to GSG product is Area Light Maps and also the new Gobos. I love how I can create a light and quickly give it character.
I absolutely love that Light Kit Pro allows me to quickly set up industry standard lighting setups in my scenes so that I can move on.
Plus kind of gave me the option to have all the stuff that I kind of wanted but I didn't want to buy, at the time. So now having access to the entire gamut is pretty handy.
and they've really streamlined the process that it's super easy to maintain.
Before Plus, we spent a lot of time cobbling together assets from across the web, materials, scripts, plugins, but now it's super easy. Having the hub at our fingertips and being able to download everything that we need is just stupid simple.
Greyscalegorilla Plus has been a game changer and a catalyst for the speed of my workflow. From camera setups to lighting setups to materials, it is truly an industry standard that can't be beat.
It's really hard to imagine a situation where Greyscalegorilla Plus won't be useful. Whether you're a freelance designer or a 3D artist, they've got so much stuff in there that's bound to make your life easier.
It's a great tool, and I can't imagine not having it.